sorry, last account again?
Copy 2, we're declaring emergency. We're descending down to 10,000 feet. We need assistance. We've declared an emergency. We have 177 passengers on board.
Cabin crew, please take your seats for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Alaska 1282, 2,000, climb 7,000.
Class 1282, following departure, good evening, rear contact, maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain 15,000, Alaska 1282.
Ladies and gentlemen, our aircraft continues to climb. We would like to remind you that all flights of our airline are non-smoking.
Alaska 1282, contact Seattle Center 128.15. Good day.
2815, good day, Alaska 1282.
Detectors is strictly prohibited. On the
Climb 15,000.
Alaska 1282, Seattle Center, climb and maintain the level 230.
The lavatory for the business class passengers.
I maintain 230, Alaska 1282.
And for the economy class passengers in the back and center of the airplane. For your safety, when seated, we recommend to keep your seat belts fastened, even when the Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Yeah, we'd like to go down.
I'm sorry, last account again?
Cabin altitude. Cabin altitude.
Last aircraft, say again?
Center, Alaska. Copy 2, we're declaring emergency. We're descending down to 10,000. 50 passengers.
Alaska 1282, roger. Just try to maintain 10,000. And when able, give me the nature of the emergency and your intentions.
Portland, Alaska, or Seattle, Alaska. 1282, we just depressurized. We're declaring emergency. We need to descend down to 10,000.
Alaska 1282, roger. Descend and maintain 10,000, 10,000. And when able, state your nature of emergency and your intentions.
We just depressurized, descend and maintain 10,000, and we need to return back to Portland.
Cabin altitude.
1282, roger. Descend and maintain 10,000, and Portland altitude
3023, flight pivot heading to Alaska 1282. And Portland, Seattle, Alaska 1282. We need to return back to Portland if we can get one.
Okay, stand by. I'm going to contact Portland and let them know your issue. You're having pressurization problems. Are you going to need any assistance on the ground?
Yes, we need assistance. We declared an emergency. And we have 177 passengers on board, and we have our fuel is 18,900.
Cabin altitude.
Is it heading in Alaska 1282?
Cabin altitude.
Left heading 340, Alaska 1282. All right, 118.1, Alaska 1282.
Emergency descent procedure. We ask you to
Hey, Portland approach Alaska 1282, emergency aircraft now leveling 12,000 and a left turn heading 340.
emergency landing.
Alaska 1282, following approach, good afternoon. You still have information zero?
Kindly ask
Yeah, we do have information zero. We'd like to get lower if possible.
Alaska 1282, just going to maintain 7,000.
the letter.
We're going to maintain 7,000, Alaska 1282.
Applied position.
Alaska 1282, did you declare an emergency or just need to return to?
Yes, we are emergency. We are depressurized. We do need to return back to. We have 177 passengers. Fuel is 18.8.
Contact lenses.
Alaska 1282, roger.
Place them into your carry-on luggage.
Alaska 1282, just say again your fuel and passengers on board.
Or in an
Our fuel is 18,900 pounds, and we have 177 passengers on board.
safety belts and tighten.
Alaska 1282, roger. And do you need time to burn off some fuel before you land?
Negative.
Browse
Alaska 1282, so you're ready for the approach now. You is 28 left, okay?
the location.
We need about 10 minutes for Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, roger. Just let me know when you're ready.
We'll let you know, Alaska 1282.
Two in the back and two over each wing. Every exit
Alaska 1282, can I just box you around in that area until you're ready to go in?
help you find the exits. if needed.
Alaska 1282, can I just expect you in a box pattern in that area, or do you want to stay on a heading for a longer period of time?
The mask towards you. Place it firmly over your nose and mouth.
If we can take a couple delay vectors, we're going to get set up for the approach.
Or someone will require.
Alaska 1282, sounds good. Turn left heading 280, I'll just box it around in this area here.
Alright, 280 on the heading, thanks Alaska 1282.
Crew member advice.
And Alaska 1282, sorry to bother you again. Are you okay at 7, or do you want lower?
Head between your knees. Place your hands around your head and hold tightly.
And Portland, Alaska 1282, we are ready for the approach and we'd like to do the approach.
Alaska 1282, can you get down from there, or you want to give you a box around to get down?
Take off your seatbelt and follow the lighting to the nearest exit. When using the slide.
We can get down, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, no problem if I clear you from there. It looks like you're on a localizer.
Once again, please keep calm. Thank you.
Clear for the approach, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, you're over Hitster, cleared out, 23 left approach.
Cleared ILS 28 left approach, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, I just want to verify no problems making descend. We could bounce you back around for another approach if you like.
I think we got it, Alaska 1282, thank you.
Alaska 1282, no problem. Contact tower 123.77. Have a good night.
2377, good night, 1282. Portland Tower 1282, we're on the ILS 28 left emergency aircraft.
Alaska 1282, Portland Tower, wind 160 F11, runway 28 left, clear tonight.
Portland, runway 28 left, Alaska 1282.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some technical difficulties. It is possible that the captain will decide to land in the alternative airport. Please remain calm. Take your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind you that use of all electronic devices during descent and landing is prohibited as it may interfere with the navigational equipment. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes our aircraft will land at the destination airport. For your safety, we ask you to remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. When preparing to depart, please make sure to take all your personal belongings with you. Attention international travelers, if you are continuing your flight, follow the signs to international transit area.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the captain speaking. I hope you've enjoyed your flight on this aircraft and hope to see you again in the near future. On behalf of Flight Factor and Step to Sky, I wish you all the best. Thank you and goodbye.
喜欢这个优质的创作者，就赶快去 follow 他哦！你有发现其他更具爆红潜力的影片吗？赶快投稿给达人秀吧！点击下方观看更多有趣内容。